Hello, let's learn how to draw a Christmas tree. You will need light, medium, and dark green colored pencils. You will need light, medium, and dark green markers. For today, I'll be using emerald green, deep green, and deep olive green. You will need a yellow marker. I'll be using lemon yellow. You also need a black pen. Any pen is fine. You'll need gold and silver glitter glue, a pen, and eraser. Let's go. First off, leave a space above and draw a straight line. Make sure the line is faint. Then, as if you're about to draw a triangle, draw a line on the left and another on the right. Now that you have 1, 2, 3 lines, start from the top and draw lines. Small lines, big lines. Small lines, big lines. Small lines, big lines. Small lines, big lines. Make sure to stop just a little bit outside the triangle. Now do this all the way down. Now with your eraser, gently erase the two sides of the triangle. From your green colored pencils, take the lightest shade. Work all the way down on top of the small lines and the big lines. Take the medium green colored pencil and repeat. Do the same thing with the dark green colored pencil. With the light green pencil, go over it again, drawing just the tips of the small branches. After that, do the tips of the long branches. With the medium and dark green, repeat what you've just done all over again. By doing this, you are creating layers to look like the branches of a Christmas tree. Now with all 3 of your green colored pencils, draw lines in the middle. Take the lightest shade of your green markers and draw the tips of the branches. You can place them anywhere you choose. Make sure there are little lines, just like this. Do this in the middle and on both sides of the tree. With your medium green and dark green markers, create more layers. Now take your red marker and draw little red balls all over the tree. Do the same thing with your dark green marker. Place them anywhere you like. Next, with your yellow marker, you're going to draw the garland. You will draw some zigzags and X's to create this. Watch me do it. You draw X, 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 zigzag, zigzag, 3 lines. And then you do it again, X, 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 zigzag, 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 and then a 3rd line. Now let's try it on the tree. When that's done, take your black ink pen and draw around all the little red and green balls. Now it's time to draw our star. You'll need a pencil for this. Draw a star however you can. It'll be beautiful nonetheless. Once you're done drawing, coloring the star with your yellow marker. Then outline it with your black ink pen. Now for the last part, get your glitter glue. I'll be using silver and gold, and highlight your bubbles, your star, and your garland. And that's it. Simple, fun, and easy. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also like and subscribe for more. Bye.